continuous heavy rain in Pune, as we have seen already in parts of Pune that has been totally submerged. Even we have seen Ekta Nagar and the other societies over in Ekta Nagar were submerged in the water. Right now we are standing at Bhide Bridge. As you can see, even the Bhide Bridge is also entirely not completely submerged in the water. You can see over there towards my right side, as you can see, the entire shops over there, the trees, like the trees, as well as you can see a bulldozer over there that is entirely submerged in the water. As we can see, meanwhile the water that has been released from the Khadakwasla dam that has been entered several low-lying housing societies, as I told earlier, Ekta Nagar, Vitthal Nagar, and other residents also. And even right now we can see at Bhide Pool also the situation over here. As you can see over, there's one more bulldozer that has been seen over there that has entirely submerged over there. Not only the bulldozer, we can say, even the trees and other things have been also submerged over here. As we can see, Pune is intensifying the heavy rains. As we have seen, like water discharge from the Khadakwasla dam has been increased with 27,303 census that has been released into the Mutha river following the heavy overnight rain. So a high alert has been issued for the riverside villagers. Residents have been advised to stay at home. As we have seen, for this entire issue, as we have seen, morning, even today, Pune's Municipal Corporation PMC Mayor Manjusha Nagpure has also personally visited and inspected the areas, as I mentioned, told you all earlier in the Ekta Nagar. But if you particularly talk about the Bhide Pool also, that has also been submerged. As we have seen, the rain red alert has been seen in the Pune. As we have seen directions, mainly the Bhide Pool is used by the many residents over here, like that could be going to the areas of Deccan, Shivaji Nagar, and other sides of Pune also. As we have seen, this is also creating a lots of issue because as everything is submerged in the water, that could be related to the shops, houses, and many things, like the way where the Punekers as well as the residents use this particular area, and the way to go to their offices, schools, and many other residents over here. As we have seen, the rain that has been seen highly impact in the city like Pune. Even for this, the PMC mayor have been said that the administration is constantly monitoring the entire situation, and citizens should not believe in the rumors or should strictly follow the official instructions that has been given. The corporation is fully prepared to ensure the safety of the citizens' lives, especially the property, and the necessary assistance that will be provided immediately. As we have seen over the condition over here also, not only Bhide Bridge, we have been seen Ekta Nagar and other areas are totally submerged in the water because of the rain that has been seen by the Punekers. Now we have to see, from tomorrow Palki is gonna be seen in the city of Pune. Now we have to see what precautions, what necessary steps have been Pune Municipal Corporation have been taken for this entire thing. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.